Hey guys, what's going on? Today we are going to be unboxing this new Umidigi A13 Pro. So we just got this in the mail, and I'm actually kind of excited for this one because, as you can see, if you can see that, the specs we have, quite a few awesome specs. Android 11, this one's coming with the 6 gig RAM and 28 gigabyte option. It's got 2 nano SIM cards, or 1 nano SIM, and the SD card slot. Over 5,000 milliamp battery, which is really awesome to see. And the screen's 6.7 inch HD plus display. It's a 720 panel, but I'm curious to see how that looks inside the box right now. And all the bands, so it's gonna work fine, I think. With LTE and 5G connectivity. I'm going to try that out. But here's the box. You know, not much else. Umidigi Beyond Dreams. Here we go. All right. Let us check that out. So here's the phone. A13 Pro. What we're going to do, we're going to take that out for the time being. And we're going to put that to the side. It's already coming in with a case on it. Nice blue color there. Let's just see what else is on here. Beyond Dreams, Umidigi, AC adapter, 5 volt. So not a super fast charging. And then lastly, we have the Type-C cable. And let's take a look. Awesome. So it's already got a case put on it, which that's very interesting. So I'm going to actually take this case off just so I can get an idea of how this phone feels. Interesting. Very interesting. So it's kind of a, I'm going to take this off because I think this is kind of throwing me off here. 48 megapixel camera, flashlight, 5 megapixel here, and an 8 megapixel here. So 3 sensors with a flash, customizable button right here. So I guess you can make that button into anything you want to do. Here's the volume rockers. Here is the power and the fingerprint scanner, which is really cool. I'm going to try that out. And then lastly, here is the SIM card and the SD card slot. So there's the back. Let's take a look. We've got the Type-C, the speaker grill, and the microphone. Look at the top. Wow, we have a headphone jack, guys. That's amazing. And we also have another mic slot here. So let's take that off. Nice. Smooth motion, smooth motion. And we're going to take the back off as well. Ooh, look at that color. Wow, that's that definitely feels very different. I'm gonna power that on, and it says Beyond Dreams here. They've actually it looks very shiny. I'm not gonna lie, it looks very cool. Let's just see if we have any power left. Okay, Umidigi, here we go. So the cool thing is this color is really just, you know, sparkly. I'm going to tell you right now, it's not glass. Okay, so that's a downfall right away, but it's definitely plastic. I wonder, it almost looks like it can come off, but like the old school ones. But this is aluminum. The side here is aluminum. I can tell by the feeling. And we're still waiting for it to come on. There it is. And the weight of it is actually pretty light. So we are going to set this up right now. And what we're going to do is basically going to get this started. This has been the kind of the unboxing of this Umidigi Beyond Dreams. If you can kind of get a better look at that. It's better in the light right there. But really excited to kind of try this phone out and let you guys know what I find. So leave a comment, subscribe, and please like the video if you want to see more of a full review of this Umidigi A13 Pro. Other than that, until next time, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
you.